Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. In the happy days always. Today is 30, end of the month. And Wednesday today. So, update. The weather for today is about 10. So, ayun. Malamig. Malamig pa rin. And 10 degrees today tayo. Tapos, time check is 4:11. 4:11 ako. So, mag-straight ahead ulit ako para sa main street ako magdaan dito sa high road, high street. And ayun lang everyone. See you later sa after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus everyone. See you and I see you everyone. Bye. OOTD of the day. Malamig pa rin ang kalagayan dito. Ayan lang everyone. Bye! Good morning everyone. Nakatawid na ako halfway. So ito dito dati sa kabila. Sabi ko na ngayon. Ayan naman sa other side. Dati before it's here on the left side, now on the right side naman. Oh, hallelujah. It's very matagal. Yeah. Regarding nagpapalit kasi sila ng pipe. Kaya ayan. So, yun na. Lagpas na ng Sainsbury's malaki. So, ayan lang everyone ang update dito sa high road. High road, high street. Ayan yung malaking Sainsbury's. Okay, see you when I see you again. Kain tayo Kain tayo everyone. Breakfast. Time check. Time check. 5:13. Aga namin everyone. Good morning everyone. Time check na ay 10:24. So last day of the month. So tayo at matulog. Inaantok pa rin ako. And maghihintay tayo ng tawag ng GP. Kasi ang book ko is 8:30 up to 1. Oh, diba? So let us wait regarding sa cholesterol. Bye at the moment. See you later. Time check. 15:39 everyone. It's 3:30. Natapana. 3:39. It's 3:39 everyone. So, wow, ang init. Oh, grabe, diba? Mamaya naman, pag uwi ko, malamig na. So, lakad tayo dito sa daan. Kasi merong masasalubong. So, update ngayon. After 2 trains and 5 minutes walk, pasok tayo sa panghapon, everyone. Para may dagdag sa kagastusan. Hatitit na. My train is here, everyone. For my second train, everyone. Metropolitan Line. Hi, Baker. Sorry, it's not. Grabe doon yung daming tao. I'm here, everyone. Dito, walang tao. Sa Tritons, doon meron, everyone. Nearly here, everyone. Ay, si John. Yan na naman si John, nagko-calling. I'm here, Wow! It's a wow! 1, 2, 3. Busy ang dalawa, everyone. Yes! Ayan, good evening everyone. We're done. Maliwanag pa ang kapaligiran dito. At marami pa rin mga turista. And ito ang maganda. Grabe dito. Ito yung Wednesday pa lang ngayon no? Pero
Naiinitan na sila.
grabe. Ang ganda, di ba? So, let's go here. Mag-test ko kami, everyone. See you when I see you. Ang aking body sa test ko. Jubilee line is here, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Kain tayo while watching YouTube, everyone. It's already 10. So, good night. God bless. And I love you all.